So the last step is to place where your routes will appear. So for instance now, the other time when we go to this website, what's it called? So placing where your routes will appear means, for instance, if you look at this website now, when I go to login, I'm being shown a different view. But this what is it called? This menu is still I'm still seeing this menu, even though I'm seeing another thing at the bottom of this menu downwards. I'm given another view. When I go to register, sorry, when I go to register, I'm still given another view at the bottom of this menu. But this menu still stays there, it's still there. Whether I go to login or I go to register, the menu is still there. So now it means in the app, in the Angular app, my app routes where my routing will take place has been configured to be below this menu. You can actually configure where you want your routing to be taking place. So the routing will be taking place below this menu. So wherever routes I'm being directed to, this menu is still there. And so that's the meaning of placing your route. So here in the index, you have to do that in the app.component.txt, the Bootstrap app. So in the app.component.html rather, sorry. So in the app.component.html, your Bootstrap app, the app that you are starting with, you have to configure where routing will be taking place. But it's not only here that you can configure where everything will be taking place. As we go on in this tutorial, we also learn that there may be sub routes. So this is the first route. You might actually go to another place where you still have another route. You understand? So now, so routing and how to do that is just to say router outlets, just like you do when you want to place when you want to do your directive. When you say app stuff, something like app index, something like this, and it will be your selector. So so also you do here now, you now do router outlet, opening and closing tags, router outlet. So wherever your routing want to appear, it's going to appear here. So that's just about that.